Good morning everyone, welcome to the Philippines. In this video, what are you looking at? It is Bantayan Island. It is a beautiful island, there is no doubt about it. But in this video, I am going to explain how to get there. So get ready. This is the guest house we stay in Hagnaya port yesterday. Right now is like 10:30, we are leaving from here. Opposite of the guest house, there's a chicken shop. I recommend this shop for the chicken. They really serve a good chicken and the rice.
Hi, bye-bye.
From the guest house, the port was only 50 meter. In front, you can see the 7-Eleven. That is 24 hours. In that 7-Eleven, you have a ATM. Just one turn, you can see the Hagnaya port. Beside the port, you can see the place last night we eat. The food was good over there. You must try it. This is the waiting area for the Hagnaya port. It is very huge and very nice. That is a ticketing office. You need to buy a ticket over here. For the regular ticket, 300 pesos, 25 pesos for the terminal fee. So totally 325 per person. I got the ticket. They have a very nice waiting area. There is no doubt about it. Lots of chair and you have an entertainment TV also available. And it's fully air conditioned. The port was very huge. I love Messi. Beside that, this ice cream was very good. I tried it myself. It is only 30 pesos. For 30 pesos, the quality was outstanding. The ferry was very huge. You can park more than 60 vehicles. The first level have a sitting area and mini shop and the television. You can buy your snacks over here. I just exploring the place. On the same level, you have a restroom. The male restroom was very clean. I was surprised. I'm going to the second level. This level for only for sleeping. You have a 120 beds are available. So if you want to sleep, you can sleep here because the traveling time is going to be 2 hours. The third level, it's only a bench and you have a control room. Not everybody allowed in the control room. In this port, you can dock at a time more than 10 ferries. That is a restricted area. You cannot go there.
The first time also to Bantayan, just like Raj?
Raj, yes.
Okay. Nice meeting Raj and
Meet Mr. Romeo.
yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
It is 11:30. We are moving from the port. The first 3 km travel going to be very slow because we are traveling in a shallow water. Along the way, you can see lot of sceneries and beautiful location. This is the real speed of the ferry. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below. Subscribe to the channel would be awesome. We are getting close to the Santa Fe port in Bantayan Island. This is the Santa Fe port in Bantayan Island. You can see our ferry from there. We are getting close. Today is a low tide. For a change, I like to show our arrival from the air. From the air, the view looks much better. We are so close by. The port looks very beautiful. Finally, we are the last one to get out from the ferry. But still, everybody standing in the entrance. We are the last one to arrive. So from here, you need to walk at least 500 meters to go outside the port. It is almost like 1:30. Today is a cloudy day, not that much sunlight. We haven't even booked the hotel. We are going to find a hotel after this. This is the waiting area in Santa Fe port. So after get the ticket, you need to wait over here. Whether you can outside or inside is up to you. And you have to walk another 300 meters from here to the ticket office, which is located in outside the port. This is the ticket office. That is a waiting area. So from the here, you can easily see how far you have to walk outside. The port looks very beautiful. Finding accommodation in this place very easy. We found our place for 1,200 pesos. The building with the white and blue roof, that is a ticket office. This is the beautiful port. At a time you can park 4 ferries. The first ferry leave from here morning 5 o'clock. The last ferry 5:30 p.m. in the evening. In between every hour you have a ferry. Even though right now low tide, the waves are too strong over here. This is the Santa Fe area in Bantayan Island. This is the most developed place in Bantayan Island. It have a lot of beautiful beaches and have a lot of resort accommodation, guest house, restaurants over here. This is the beautiful Kota beach in Santa Fe. If you come to the Bantayan Island, this is the one of the main attraction. In upcoming videos, we are going to explore this beach more detailed. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below. Subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in next video soon. Thank you.